Good morning, students. Today we will read the chapter number 2 of English literature. The name of the chapter is There Isn't Time. Let's start reading. Read this poem about all the things the poet would do if only she had spare time. Okay? There isn't time. There isn't time. Who is saying? Poet is saying there isn't time to do things I want to do. Poet is saying what she wants to do, she had no time. Okay? With all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through. Okay? With all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through, she climbed to mountain tops and she wanders through in the woods. Okay? And all the seas to sail upon, and everywhere there she is to go. And all the seas to sail upon, and everywhere there is to go. And all the people, everyone who lives upon the earth to know. She wants to know the people who lives upon the earth. To know a few and do a few. She wants to do something and she wants to know something. And then sit down and make a rhyme. At the last, she says, sit down and make a rhyme about the rest I want to do. Means which things are rest, what she wants to do, make a rhyme and write in that. Okay? Wander, walk around aimlessly. This is word meaning. Okay? And regarding this chapter, worksheet will be sent to you and one paragraph also will be sent to you. Beta. Okay? This page you have to do. The poet has no time at all to do what she wants. Answer. Okay? Second is, the poet wishes she could. Answer, climb all the mountain tops. The poet wants to travel the world to see new places and get to know new people. After doing everything, the poet would then want to write a poem about the remaining things she wants to try. Okay? Thank you, beta.